Question 6. A GUI wire from top of an antenna is anchored 15 meters from base of the antenna and makes an angle of 60 degrees with the ground. Find the length of the wire. Okay, so let's try to sketch this and then figure out. So let's say this is the ground, okay, and we have an antenna like this, and let's say a wire is attached to this. That's with the ground, and it makes an angle of 60 degrees with the ground. So let's say this angle is 60 degrees. So we have a wire from top of an antenna is anchored 15 meters from the base of the antenna. So 15 meters is this distance. That is from base to this point where it is anchored, right? And that's the angle. So find the length of the wire. So what do you need to find? You find this length of the wire. That is what you want to find. Now, so 60 degrees means we can take help of our special triangle with 60 degrees, right? So let's make our special triangle 60 degrees special triangle. Let me draw it right here. So in 60 degrees, what sides do we have? This is 60 degrees, and for that we have 1, 2 and square root 3. That is the ratios in which special triangle 60 degree can be shown, right? Now if you want to find hypotenuse, and you know this side is adjacent side. Adjacent side is a side between angle and 90 degrees. So what is this equal to? It is equals to cos of the angle, correct? So we have cos of 60 degrees, which is equals to adjacent, which is over hypotenuse, right? So in our case, it is cos of 60 degrees, which is equals to 16 over, let's say h for hypotenuse, right? So now what is h equals to? So h is equals to, we'll cross multiply, right? It is 16 divided by cos of 60 degrees, right? Cos of 60 degrees. And what is cos 60? So from this triangle, you can say cos 60 is adjacent over hypotenuse is half. So this I can write as 16 divided by 1 over 2, which is 16 times 2, right? And that gives us the answer 32. And therefore we say, well, hypotenuse is 32, or length of the wire is 32. So we say length of the wire is 32, and the units are meters. So that's our answer. That's how you do this kind of a problem, correct? Now in some test papers I have seen the question saying that the angle of elevation for the wire is 60 degrees. Remember, angle of elevation is the angle which anything makes with the horizontal, right? So that's kind of a reminder. Now this could be twisted and written and asked in different ways, okay? So here it's a very straightforward saying 60 degrees with the ground, so absolutely clear. And now you've seen how we have used special triangles to find our answers. So we don't really need calculator for such questions, okay? Let's move on to the next question. Thank you.